Hlezi-ke ngisho ukuthi abantu bayazi ukuthi yini abangayifuni, bazi kahle. Kodwa ukuthi yini abayifunayo, hayi they know not. They know not, abazi ukuthi bafunani. Ababazazi bafunani. Sazi bafunani. Abazazi bafunani. Yazi ubona ngani? Ubona ngoba umuntu uhleze egadile ukuthi ingenzeki into angayifuni. Kusho ukuthi i-attention yakhe uyipolarize ukuthi i-ARS, automatic reticular system yakhe, ifocus kulokho angakufuni ngoba ugadeke konke kungenzeki. Lokho akufunayo, hayi, lokho cha. Akanandaba nawo. Akunake wakunaka. Yabona mfethu kutshele mina. Focus kule nto oyifunayo. To the point yokuthi lento ongayifuni it becomes inconsequential. That's how you polarize your mind. That is the law of polarity. Focus emontweni oyifunayo uyibuke every day mawuhlangana nayo ngiyayithanda le moto. Focus emzini oyifunayo, focus emalini oyifunayo, focus entweni oyifunayo. Muthi ukufocus entweni ongayifuni ngoba lento ongayifuni zikunikeza izifear ziqedela ngethemba futhi. Yabo? And ngokwe law of attraction ke lezo zinto kusuka kumele zenzeke, yabo? Ngoba into eyenzeka la kunento ekuthiwa i-negative, positive and neutral attention. Impilo ke ayinandaba ne-nature yesicelo sakho, inendaba ne-content yesicelo sakho ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ayinandaba ke impilo ne-nature. Mangikhuluma nge-nature ukuthi uyangala noma uyangala ayinandaba. Inendaba ne-content. Ayinendaba nokuthi angifuni ukuwa. That is the nature ukuthi angifuni ukuwa. The content is ukuwa. So that is the content. That's what's supposed to happen. Yabo? Ukuwa. Because that's what you are focusing on. Yazi ukuthi ke lento oyizama ngayonke indlela ukuyi-avoid yona into eyenzekalayo vele leyo. Uzama uku-avoid ukukhohlwa uzokhohlwa. Yabo? Ngenxa yokuthini? Don't focus ekuthenini yini ongayifuni. Focus ekuthenini yini oyifunayo. Because ocelayo uyaphiwa, ongqongqozayo uyavulela. How do you do those things? You do those things by polarizing your mind. That's how you knock. Ucela lokho. Uyazi ukuthi kule ncwadi ethi Becoming Supernatural ka Dr. Joe Dispenza kuthiwa kunolokhu ngana kunabantu kune-group ekwathiwa ayijime kanje, yezo, bese kuba ne-group ekuthiwa ayingajimi kanje like physical kodwa ayi-imagine iphakamisa insimbi. Kuthiwa there were tremendous results kuyona le eyayimagina ukujima ngensimbi. There were tremendous results, yezo. Ngenxa yokuthini imagination le creator, because the only thing that is real is the consciousness. Nothing is real here. Nalento ethi uyayibona yikho is created by your mind. It's consciousness changing forms. It's energy changing forms. Ngoba na emotion is energy in motion. Everything is energy in this world, yabo? So ngeza sokuthi bayenza lento isikhathi eside nje. It was about it's a month. I don't know whether it's a month or 3 months. But bengazange bephakamise insimbi, but the muscles were showing that they were doing something. Ngoba ngokwama neuroplasticity and neurons, lo message leyo esuka la on your brain goes straight to your cells and do the work. Yabo? You are imprinting exactly what you are imagining here. We are imprinting it here. Umqondo ithuluzi bafethu leya. Elithule kabi futhi. But mind mowazi ukuthi umqondo usetshenziswa kanjani can be a very great servant but a terrible master. If you are going to bow emqondweni mind. Lento ifana nokubhawa kwimali. Imali nomqondo eyodwa. Imali nomqondo nje same WhatsApp group. That is why money starts with M and mind starts with M and moon starts with M. Same WhatsApp group. Ngoba ngale komqondo imali ayikho useless. You use your mind. Nina nivumelene ngomqondo wenu ukuthi kumele nithenge ngale. It's psychological nje lento yemali. Nayo ke mawuyenza i-tools nayo iyafana nomqondo imali. Muyenza umaster is a very terrible master, but muyenza i-servant is a very great servant. Imali into eyodwa nomqondo. So lezi zinto akufuneki uzenze ini master bakho. Umqondo wena as a consciousness, wena as an awareness okumele ukuthi ucontrol. Uyawubona umqondo wakho ukuthi create i-story esingekho. The mind thinks more than 70,000 thoughts per day. Yes, umqondo more than 70,000 thoughts per day. Mawucabanga ke ayikho ni possibility ukuthi u repeat one and the same thought. If you repeat one and the same thought, you are going to repeat one and the same reality. Yabo? Because you cannot think more than you understand, and you cannot do more than you think. Starts with an understanding, follows thinking, follows acting. Your own consciousness is your own limitation, and it's your own reality, by the way. Ne-exposure idlala indima ebalulekile la. Yini ocabanga ukuthi possible? That is why kunabantu esingeke sizikwazi ukuhlala nje nabo siqede ngisho u1 minute nabo. Ngenxa yokuthini i-exposure kuyena kuba ngathi uthona uyahlanya, yabo? Ukhuluma insumansumane kuba ngathi uyahlanya. Ngoba i-level of consciousness yakhe isephansi, akekho exposed eyintweni ezithile. Unlimited. Your mind is a very great servant but a terrible master. Focusa eyintweni oyifunayo. Musu focus eyintweni ongayifuni. Angithi wena indoda yakho awufuni i-cheat, umkakho awufuni ukuthi a-cheat. Pho kungani focus ezimpawini ezikhombisa ukuthi uya-cheat na? Why? Angithi wena ufuna ukuba usozimali, ufuna ukuphila ubutebu, uphile kahle, ushaya impilo njengathi. Pho kungani ufocusa entweni ethi people are chowing money, there are no opportunities, look the government is chowing money. Why you are focusing on these limitations? Why you are focusing on that? Focus on what you want to the point that's what you don't want becomes inconsequential. That is the law of polarity. You polarize your mind. Yazi umuntu opolarize ingqondo yakhe kwi-negativity, lo muntu yonke opportunity ekumele kuyena im-elevate ayim-elevate yena. I-opportunity nje kumele im-elevate yena iba miserable. Yabo? Uthatha ilemon ayenze lemonade. Uthatha ilemonade ayenze lemon in fact. Yabo? Lo ngisho ngamnikeza a very terrible situation. Ngoba ingqondo yakhe ipolarize ubona enye into. Uzoshintsha ilemon ayenze lemonade. Yabo uba unsuccessful uvuka ekseni mawukuthi ingqondo yakho ipolarizwe kulezi zinto ongazifuni. Uba unsuccessful uvuka nje ekseni. Yabo? Yabona ukuthi uGoliath washaya ilokhungane washaya uDavid wanqoba uGoliath ngentwana encane ngakho. That represents fate. Yes, that is the smallest thing ever, fate. Yabona ke fate ayifuni ukuphazanyiswa. I-consciousness bafethu into that is very subtle to the point ukuthi umuke wena wayingcolisa nge-doubt. The whole thing is collapsing. Wayingcolisa nge-doubt. That is why njoba inje i-delicate kanje fana neshidi elimhlophe. Uma ungasulibeka idot elincane elimnyama ayikho into azobona umuntu, uzobona idot elimnyama kuyona yonke lento emhlophe. So i-consciousness injalo wayithi nje chafa nge-doubt encane. Obona ngoba umuntu uma ungamtshelanga ukuthi kuna something e-danger lapha uzodlula nje kahle. Kodwa mhla wamtshela into dangerous lapha, the whole story change.